Let's look at how Indian universities have been using patents. Now, the NIRF, the National Institute Ranking Framework, has come up with a framework which outlines a methodology for ranking institutions. This is done by the Government of India. Teaching, learning, and the resources employed, research and professional practices, graduation outcomes, outreach and inclusivity, perception. There are different yardsticks that the NIRF uses in coming up with its ranking. Now, the overall ranking has been there are specific ranking with regard to engineering institutes, but the overall ranking has placed, this is the 2018 ranking, the Indian Institute of Science at the top, followed by the Indian Institute of Technology Madras, Bombay, Delhi and Kharagpur, all the IITs within the 5. And you can see there is a score and the score corresponds to the rank. Now, this is a screenshot from the website, and if you can click on the PDF link at the website, it will show the details of how each university or each institute fared in the ranking. So, research and professional practices is one of the criteria for which universities get points and which is considered into ranking. This includes the combined metric for publications, their quality, patents and projects. So you can find that you will see that patents do play a role, and that's very clear when you see into the data sheets. For instance, the link between patents and ranking can be found in these data sheets. For instance, IIT Madras, which has been ranked 1, the data sheet shows that the number of patents granted is 54 in the last 3 calendar years, and the number of published patents is 395, and the earnings through patent is also mentioned there in excess of 6 crores. IIT Kanpur, which is ranked 10, has 29 granted patents, 203 published patents, and their revenue is in 81 lakhs. NIT Roorkela, which is ranked 15, does not have any granted patents, but it has got 3 patents published. And ranked 20th, which is Thapar Institute, has 1 patent granted, 11 pending, and it has generated some amount using their patents in excess of 2 crores. Now this tells us that there is some relationship between patents and ranking under the NIRF system. The National Assessment and Accreditation Council also uses patents when it comes to assessing and accrediting higher educational institutions in India. Now, it has developed the Quality Indicator Framework, which looks at research, innovation and extension, and one of the factors they look at is the number of patents obtained and whether there is an innovation ecosystem. The UGC and the AICTE regulatory bodies have also mandated some kind of activity around patents. For instance, UGC now requests universities and affiliated colleges to provide IPR as an elective course, and the AICTE approval process handbook mentions the creation of IPR cell. So the IPR cell is required, and AICTE has also come up with the guidelines for IPRs for technical institutes.